What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be molding the fenders on the 350Z. In the last video you guys saw us cutting them up and pretty much just mocking them on the car. Well, today we're going to be taking them and actually molding them. So I already started on this fender right here, but pretty much the process that I'm doing is I'm actually riveting them to the actual fender itself, and then I'm going to go ahead and sand it down and then add some Bondo glass, some fiberglass reinforced Bondo on there just to get it to smoothen out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and lay some regular Bondo over that, smooth it out, prime it, and then it should be ready for paint. A lot of people say that you should actually go ahead and put some like epoxy type sealer under the fender. I'm not gonna do it that way. That's the reason why I'm riveting them to the fenders. It seems to work out fine because it's the same way that I actually molded the diffuser to the bumper back here. A lot of people ask what rear bumper is this? This is actually the stock rear bumper. I actually cut it and then dropped the bumper down about 2 inches just to give it that longer look. And then I went ahead and molded an IS250 rear diffuser. I did have to cut this up to make it fit the actual bumper itself because it was actually too wide. I molded it all together and then I molded it straight onto the car. I actually have a video or videos on doing the rear bumper on my channel if you guys want to check that out. I also did actually get some eyelids for the car. I was planning on making them, but they're only like 30 bucks on eBay, so I went ahead and picked them up, and they're plastic, so I just went ahead and spray painted them for now, and I think they look good with the over fenders or the flares. So we have Christine over here. She's getting some other angles, but she's taking off the self tappers, and then she's gonna go ahead and rivet the over fender onto the front fender. Ice cream break. It's never too early to take an ice cream break. Christine's gonna go ahead and scuff up the surface with some 60 grit so that way the fiberglass Bondo has something good to bite onto. Christine's gonna lay the first layer of this fiberglass Bondo on the fender, and then we'll build it up from there. Scrape it in there. You start from above. Yeah, like that. See? Yeah, just like that. Finished up this driver's side of the car. The bodywork is not perfect, but I just need it to look decent for now. I will be finalizing the bodywork right before we paint it because it needs to be ready for the drift event. Got the front fender almost done. I need to just finish up this little part right here. This one is done. I'm gonna be doing this section right here. Christine is finishing up her fender right there. The gas cap is going to be interesting, but as you guys can see, all I did was I kind of just started building it up. That way I can shape it to how I need it to be, and then hopefully smooth it out.
so this is how the car looks so far. It looks so much better now that the flares are molded in. We were kind of worried about how the vent would fit in with the flare, but I think that it fits in nicely and it looks really good. So this side is just about good for now. We just have to adjust this strut to fix the fitment. But I think my favorite view right now is from the back of the car. And with this back bumper with the diffuser on, it looks so sick. I love it. And this side, it's almost done. We just have to go ahead and primer this, wet sand it, and then this should be able to get painted. When we adjust the other side to have the same fitment in the back, it's gonna be super cherry. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We just have a couple minor here and there things to do to finish molding these flares into the car, and then it should be good to go. What do you guys think about the wide body? Do you guys love it? We think that it's coming along super nice. So now we just have to kind of decide what color we're gonna go. So let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. We love to read your guys' comment and we try to respond to every single one. So yeah, leave a suggestion down below. But that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for all your love and support. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.